Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine and doing your revision work. Okay, today I am going to teach you a new topic, and that is Hawa Mahal. I will show you the picture of Hawa Mahal. First, let us read this paragraph. Okay, this is the picture of Hawa Mahal. Wait. This is the picture of Hawa Mahal. Now we will see the paragraph. Okay. Hawa Mahal. Hawa and Mahal both are Hindi word. Hawa means air or breeze, wind, and Mahal means a palace. Okay. What is the meaning of Hawa? A wind or breeze. Air also we can say it. Okay. And Mahal means palace. Hawa Mahal is a Hindi word, and its English translation is palace of winds or the palace of breeze. Okay. And where it is situated? In Jaipur. And Jaipur is in which state? Rajasthan. And it is 300 kilometers away from Delhi. Built from red and pink sandstone. If you have gone, my dear, to Jaipur, you will see Jaipur is also called as Pink City, because earlier Jaipur whole city was built with pink, colored with pink color. Okay, that's why it was also called as Pink City. The palace sits on the edge of the city palace, Jaipur, and extends to the Zanana or women chambers. Now see, this is the Hawa Mahal, and related to this we are going to do some question answers and some revision work in today's work. Okay. Now see, in which state is Hawa Mahal located? And from here we will start the answer. Hawa Mahal is located in, and I have told in which state it is. It is in the Rajasthan. And in which city it is? It is in the city Jaipur. Jaipur is also known as Pink City. Now next question is, which shape is carved in the Hawa Mahal? And in the Hawa Mahal, I will show you later, honeycomb shape is carved. If you will see the window, no, in window like this, very fine, this shapes looks like honeycomb. See. See this, beside the window hole, there is honeycomb shaped. It is means like net, made like net shaped, and this makes the palace looks very beautiful, my dear. That's why this honeycomb shape is means we can say is we study about this shape because of it makes the Hawa Mahal look very beautiful. How many windows are in the Hawa Mahal? And there are 93 windows in the Hawa Mahal. Now see, if you will count the number of windows in the Hawa Mahal, it is honeycomb shaped, and if you will count the number of windows, it is 953 in number. Now what makes the Hawa Mahal a perfect summer palace? Hawa Mahal, as the name, palace of wind or palace of breeze. What makes a summer palace? Because in summer season we need some air, some breeze, some fine winds. There are many windows. 953. The windows allow breeze to blow through the palace and makes it a perfect summer palace. Because the old buildings which you will see, my dear, there are crossing doors and windows. From one side the air is coming and from the other side it passes through. So crossing doors and windows makes it very airy, and this makes it a perfect summer palace. Means it is very airy. Which animal is slippery and slithering? And in the place of which animal we will write? Snake. And then we will copy the question and our answer will be complete. Snake is slippery and slithery. If you will hold the snake, it will slip. It is means very smooth and it is slippery. That's why I am showing you the picture of snake also. See the picture of snake. Now next question. Which animal has tusks and a big trunk? An elephant has tusks and a big trunk. I will show you the front teeth of elephant. This one. This front teeth. It is called tusks. And it is used to make jewelry. It is very expensive, my dear. The elephants are killed also for this tusk because this is very expensive. And this is the trunk of the elephant. Next is, which animal is called the king of the jungle? And I think all of you know. In the place of which, wait. In the place of which animal what we will write? In the place of which animal we will write? The lion. And we will copy from the question. Is called the king of the jungle. And our answer will be complete. My dear, if you will learn to copy from the question, no, your answer will not be wrong. And you will avoid mistakes. Means minimum mistakes you will make. See the picture of lion, and all of you have studied. Lion is very brave. Lion is very brave, strong, bold, confident, good looking. So these are the good qualities in lion, and we are supposed to learn good qualities not only from human beings, from animals also we can learn, because many things these animals teach us. These animals teaches us a lot of lesson. Where do animals live? Where do wild animals live? And you will start the answer from here. Wild animals live in jungle. Where do wild animals live? Wild animals live in jungle. And here is the picture of the jungle. This is forest where wild animal lives. And my dear, why forest is important for us? Because it is not only the home of many animals. It gives us fresh air also, many types of spices also, many types of medicinal plant are also here. That's why jungle, forest is very important for human beings. If there is jungle, then only we can survive. If there will not be any forest, it will be very, very difficult for us. Because here there are lots of trees which purifies the air. Now what you will do? First of all, you all will write HW and date. Then you will write answer these questions, and you will do your work in very neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Thank you, my dear. Hope you all will do your work very nicely.